In the Philippines, a volcano that was thought to be dormant had recently shown some volcanic activity. The Taal volcano blew some thick gases and ash. But how do volcanoes, even inactive ones, erupt? Volcanoes start off as magmas, and magmas are formed when water on Earth is able to go underneath the layer and lower its melting point. When the magma is formed, it typically stays under the Earth's surface because of some factors. The lithostatic pressure is the pressure where the crust is pushing down on the magma below. And the magma does the same. It's called the magmastatic pressure. Both of these pressures help keep the magma in place with the help of the strength of the rock. Both the lithostatic pressure and magmastatic pressure are balanced in terms of how they are pushing with each other. But when one of these factors are either weak or stronger, they can cause an explosion. Some common explosions are caused by the increase of magmastatic pressure. Magma consists of various elements and compounds, and they dissolve in the magma. But at higher concentrations, water and sulfur can no longer dissolve. Instead, they turn into gas bubbles. When these bubbles reach the surface, they are fast like an arrow and burst like a gunshot. When a lot of bubbles burst simultaneously, volcanoes can release ash from their mouths and into the atmosphere. Before they pop, they all gather first before release and push upward the crust. Eruptions are also caused by a decrease in lithostatic pressure. It happens if, for example, a mountain is on top of a magma chamber and the magmastatic pressure causes the landslide. It can instantly cause an eruption. Finally, an eruption can happen if the rock layer is nowhere near strong to hold the magmastatic pressure. The gases and the heat escaping the magma can turn the rock layer into clay, thus making the magma rise up to the volcano's crater. It could also weaken the layer with tectonic shifting, which can allow the magma to escape the volcano and into the surface. While scientists know what can cause these eruptions, it can be very hard to predict as there are still no suitable tools to tell when it can happen, which is why we must stay knowledgeable about these things to keep aware. At PowerPlay Science, we make these complicated topics easier and understandable for children. We encourage our young learners to embrace the wonders of science and be able to prepare them for the STEM field. If you are interested, you can send us a message on all our social media platforms or click on the link in our bio to book your free 30-minute call with us. Until then, follow us for more learning. I got to learn with my children too. See you soon!